In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive the Cybertruck in less than 10 minutes, even if you're a beginner. All right, so first thing is, look how beautiful this truck is. It's the Cybertruck. It's Tesla's newest model, and it's made out of all metal. It's absolutely gorgeous, really big. Look at the tires, everything about this. I'm not a big fan of the shape, but I'm going to show you guys how to drive this so that you can drive this a bit more confidently. So I made a video about how to drive a Tesla Model 3 and it went really well. A lot of people are watching it, so I was like, hey, let me just do one for the Cybertruck too. All right, so let's get started. Okay, awesome. So we're on the driver's side, and the only way to open the car is from the driver's side. You can't open this from the passenger side, okay? And you need to have the card key. The card key, this is the Tesla card key. Basically, every Tesla has this, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use this now in order to get inside the car. So when you come over here, you're gonna see there's a camera over here. The card, you need to tap this, but not on the camera, just a bit below the camera. Okay, so what you do is you just tap it, and it doesn't matter if you type it in like this way or this way. You just tap it over here. And you see now the car closed, but let me open it up again and see that open now. Okay, so you see there's no door handles, right? So it could be a bit confusing, like how do you get in, right? Most cars have that. So this, the way to get in is that there's actually a button here, and it's gonna be like a small button. It's actually not very visible. There's like a white light over here that's coming out. So you basically just press on that with like 2 fingers and the door opens like that, okay? And so you want to open the door, you want to put your hand over here. So people try to use the little window. That's not a safe thing to do. So you want to put your hand here, and then you just push it out. Okay, and the door is pretty heavy. So yeah, it's made out of metal, right? So all right, so now that we open the door, let me show you how to get in. Okay, so now that the door is open, it's going to be pretty simple to get in. This is like a truck, right? So it's a lot higher, so it's easier to get in compared to a car. So you're just going to put 1 foot up like this, slide over, and come on in like this. Look at that. So this is how you get in, and to get out, you're just gonna put 1 foot like this, and then 1 foot out like that. You can put one hand here, then put 1 foot in, and then you can slide in like this, right? Pretty simple. So this is a bit different compared to most vehicles. Like the steering wheel is like very small. There's a lot of unique stuff about this car. So first of all, like the thing, how to drive the car. There's no indications over here, no lever here to put park, drive, or reverse. They've actually taken that out. So in my other video, you saw like it was over here, right? All the Teslas. The new Teslas now, the parking, all of that is done on the screen. So let me show you. It's actually very strange. It was hard for me to get used to. Okay, so the next thing you need to do in order to start the car, you need to tap the card, and it's not very obvious where. You actually put it over here, where the cup holder, where you put your phone to charge. That's where you need to place your card in order for the car to get activated. And once you do, you're gonna hear a noise. All right, now that the car is activated, in order to drive the car, you're going to put your foot on the brake, and then there's going to be icons on the screen where it's gonna show you pointing. You take the car, and if you slide it up, it's going to be in drive mode. So now it's in drive mode, and you heard that sound. Okay, and if you want to put it back into park, you just press the button that says park. It's in park mode now, and then if you wanted to put in reverse, you take that car icon and you slide it back. And now it's in reverse or rear gear, okay? And then you can go back. So let me just show you. So it's moving back now. Let me put it in drive. So I slid it all the way on top, and then you see the car's moving front. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is how to use the signals. And also the signals, they're not very easy to figure out as well. Okay, so the turn signals, they're actually on the steering wheel, and it's just a button. You click on it. So let's do the left one first, and you see it starts to blink. So in the front, you can see it blink. Let me show you on the right side. There you go. Now it's blinking on the right side. Now to put the windows up and down, there's buttons over here. So you press these buttons over here. So let me show you. So when you press the button up, the window is going to go up. When you press the button down, the window comes down like this. So very convenient. They're very small buttons. All right, now if you want to leave, you're going to press on this button over here, and it's going to open up the door. So let me show you. You just press on that, and you have to push outside with your hands. So let me show you that one more time. So you press the button, and then you have to push outside with your hand. Like this, and then you push outside like that. Next thing is adjusting the seat. So there's 3 buttons here. This is to make the seat go forward. This is to make it go backwards. This is to decrease the incline, so going backwards. This is to make it come forward, the back. So this is to raise the seat itself. Well, that's cool. This is how the inside looks like. So this is the steering wheel. It's kind of small. It's actually a bit hard to get used to. There's not a lot of holding space, so I think the most convenient way of holding is from here. And then let me show you now how to open up the trunk. So you're clicking on that, so it's opening that up. Look at that, it's completely open. Now if you want to close the trunk, you just press this button over here and the trunk is going to close. How cool is that? There we go. Once again, if you want to open it up, you just press the button and it's going to open up the trunk. Very spacious. And if you want to open this part up, you just press this button. Oh, and it opens up by itself. Look at that. How convenient. Okay. And then if you just want to close it, you just... Oh, it's not that heavy. Okay, that's cool. It has a camera over here. And you can only open it and close it from this side. As you see, there's no buttons over here, so you can't do anything from here. All right, look at the tires. Look how big they are. You look at this car, and then you look at this. It's huge. To get in the back, it's the same thing. You're just gonna press the button here, and it's gonna open the door. One hand here, and then you pull it open. All right, so let me show you the back. So you're gonna put one hand on the handle, one foot inside, and then you can slide inside, and that's how you get in. So it's actually very spacious here. Yeah, just a lot of room here. There's some nice vents on the bottom so to get that cooling. They have a really big LCD screen here. So now I'm going to show you how to drive a Tesla from the beginning all the way till the end, so you look like a pro. You're gonna press over here, door opens up, you press the buttons here, you grab it with one hand, push it open, you put one hand on your handle, one foot in, and then you slide inside, and then you close the door. All right, we're gonna lower the window so you can see a bit better. And here's the steering wheel, right? So we have to put the card in the wireless area. So let me show you that. So this is the screen, and this is where you put the card, and then you have to press the brake. When you press the brake, the car gets activated. Okay, now you can drive the car, and you have the option here. You see, it shows you that you can put in park or drive or reverse. All right, so now I showed you everything. Let's go ahead and drive the Tesla Cybertruck. Let's go for it. All right, so now let's see everything in action. I press the brake, put it on drive, put on my indicator, and then I can start driving. Look at that. What a heavy car. Oh, it's just very convenient. Like, the windshield is really big, so it's very easy to see. I'm high up, so it's really nice. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Look, the way to turn, it's the steering wheel, it's just really small. Like, I'm used to having a bigger one. This is kind of small. It looks like I'm playing a video game. Oh, it's fast. All right, so now time to park. Let me show you guys how that looks like. Look, I can even drive this car with one hand. Oh, look, one hand. Parking with one hand. It's actually kind of hard. It's not like, yeah. Actually, I'm more comfortable with two hands. Oh, it's kind of close. Now bring it back. Okay, I had to do that 2 times to get it, but I want to make sure I don't hit anything on the side. I'm using 2 hands. There we go. Okay, now put it on park. You just have to tap, and we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed that experience. Guys, if you want to watch more videos about Tesla, how to drive them, this is the Cybertruck. I've done the Tesla Model 3. I'm going to be doing more drives with other Teslas as well. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with anyone else who's trying to test drive a Cybertruck. I hope this video will help them and make it easier for them. So guys, I love you guys. Yeah, I love making video for you guys, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.